This 2022 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 31K is a Class C RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. This new Winnebago is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features one slideout, a gray-brown interior, sleeps 7, water heater, awning, stovetop burner, DVD player, LP detector, auxiliary battery, CO detector, TV, air conditioning, skylight, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. This 2022 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 31 Kelvins is built on a E350 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall, visit RVUSA.com.